What's up, guys? Alex over here. Little update on the time race on the video that I did a couple of weeks ago, where this guy on a Facebook group page over here for the local trail did a segment in under 8 minutes. I don't recall what the time was, but I just did the segment again. Last time I was under 8 minutes, like 7:54 or something like that. I just did the segment again. At 7 minutes 46 seconds, improving my time. This time I was actually trying, so all I can do now is get better. I didn't have a GoPro with me. It's on my Strava, so I think the Strava recognizes the segment, but I started at that bridge at exactly 15 minutes. I don't know if you can see this on my watch, but I paused it at 22:46. So being a math teacher and all, you know, that's only 7 minutes 46 seconds. I gotta say, it's kind of pretty good. My legs were burning on this last little segment over here. There's a bridge in between, like I want to say like 7/8 of the way in this way. After that bridge, my legs were feeling it, so I improved my time. That's all that matters. I don't remember what was his time, but this is getting good. I hope you like this short video. Give it a thumbs up, subscribe, turn the notification bell on if you haven't done so. You want to support the channel, link down in the description. Riding my Polygon T8. More on that coming soon. Stay tuned. Things are happening. Let's ride. See you on the trails. Goodbye.
Hey guys, just quick over here. August 31st, I'm at 992 subscribers. Only 8 more to go. Today can make the big difference. Almost at 1,000. Help me out. Subscribe. Let's get this over with. That's it for this one. Let's ride. Goodbye.